Okay, so I'm going to try to do this in the dark. Bear with me already. So I love it when a plan comes together. Like, I've been envisioning this kind of keeping me up at night, and it works perfectly, like better than I scripted. So the first thing, by the way, this is how I'm going to enter into Jazzy, okay? This ladder right here. So the first thing to notice is that, okay, so I took one of these rungs off of my little donor cadaver system over here. I cut one of the rungs and I put it right here. My fabricator welded that rung upside down up against the bottom side of this crossbar right here. Then I took the J, what do you call those? Little J hooks that come with the ladder. And I just turned them upside down and backwards. And so now it catches up underneath, so it cannot move. Like, I am giving it everything, guy. Oh, good, I'm giving it everything. I can't make it move. All right, so it's extremely sturdy. Then we make our way down here and we see these latches right here on either side, okay? So these are spring-loaded latches, much like on the gates here on either side of the front of the bed. So you simply pull this back. And by the way, notice that little catch right there. Do you see that? Watch this. Just pull this out, just like that. It's very easy, and it catches. All right? Same thing over here. Now I'm going to set the camera down, and I'm going to show you how this is done with two hands. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Are you there? It's starting to get dark. Don't go anywhere. This is how it works. Again, extremely sturdy, not going anywhere. All right? So simply pull this over, pull this over, just like that. Comes right out. Bring it right over here, just like this. Of course, I'm on unlevel ground, but you can see I can just climb right up into Jazzy, just like that. I love it when a plan comes together. So, oh, by the way, I can do it on either side. I can do it on either side when I open the gates. Fits perfectly. I can climb up either side of Jazzy. Now we're going to reverse the process. Are you watching? Okay. The first thing we do is stick it right up in there. Right up in there. Right up there. Pull this around. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect every time. I just love it when a plane comes together. It's a mess, but call it aluminum. Anyhow, yeah, super, 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 super clever. All right, not going anywhere. So I have this middle ladder rack will go about right there where it sits. And that is about 7 feet. So it's almost halfway. And that will allow the ladders to go all the way across without bowing, right? So again, I can put the ladder system right here if I want to access Jazzy from either side. That's a tree that we cut down, and now I'm allowing the stump to rot. Okay, so anything else? Oh, yes. So you'll notice that, see those braces? There are no braces on this one. Now this little ladder rack set up here will not really be holding a lot of weight, so I'm not concerned about the brace. And the reason I don't have a brace is when that's standing, right? That allows me to put different things on either side, namely the Flow Pro box will be right there where I can see it. Yeah, it's all coming along nicely. So yeah, we'll see it better, Lord willing, tomorrow in the daylight, if I can sleep tonight. Yeah. All right, Mike, the freshest fresh rinse and all freshdom, and I'm out.